At the flats at Carrs Hill in Athens, student living isn't just about the essentials. It's about enjoying a resort-style experience at an affordable price. Pick from gorgeous en-suites and 2 or 3 bedroom apartments, featuring ceiling fans for comfort, in-unit laundry facilities for convenience, and cozy balconies to unwind. You also get a smart TV with speedy Wi-Fi for uninterrupted movie marathons. Sweat it out in the fitness centre, play water volleyball, or dive into the pool for fun-filled exercise. Or grab a caffeine fix at the coffee bar before locking in with your books in the computer lab or study lounges to power through projects. This gated community is pet-friendly and offers courtesy patrol plus maintenance for your convenience. And guess what? University of Georgia and Piedmont University are just minutes away by car, so your trips to class are effortless. Also, with nearby bus stops like Williams and Oconee OB, getting around the city is smooth and speedy. So don't miss out. Book your spot at the flats at Carrs Hill in Athens via amberstudent.com now.